Are you looking for a job, or better yet, a career? Body shops throughout the Northwest and beyond are seeking well-trained, ICAR certified technicians. Clackamas Community College can help you obtain the necessary certification and provide you with the training to get you working and start your new career in this high-tech field. You will learn 3D estimating, damage analysis, and structural repairs utilizing the latest computerized measurement system. Sheet metal repairs on both steel and aluminum, and cosmetic repairs on various substrates, including plastic. Then hone your preparation skills by learning to mix paint in one of our computerized color mixing systems, and application skills in one of our state-of-the-art downdraft spray booths. During your training at Clackamas, learn about plastic welding, glass removal and replacement, brakes, suspension, electrical, air conditioning, and much more. You will learn how to perform undetectable high-quality repairs on today's vehicles while earning ICAR Pro Level 1 certification, which can lead you to a rewarding career in the ever-changing field of high-tech automotive collision repair. Classes begin fall, winter, and spring terms. Your new career is waiting for you, so don't delay. Enroll now at Clackamas Community College.